States of matter quiz. Directions. Match each definition with the vocabulary word in the word bank. Place the letter of the word in the blank beside the correct definition. Do not forget to answer the questions on the back by choosing the correct answer. Word bank. A. Condensation. B. Evaporation. C. Matter. D. Properties. E. Gas. F. Liquid. G. Solid. Number 1. The process by which a gas changes into a liquid due to cooling. Number 2. The process by which a liquid changes into a gas due to the addition of heat. Number 3. Anything that has mass and takes up space. Number 4. Does not have a definite shape or volume. Example, water vapor. Number 5. Has a definite shape and volume that do not change. Example, ice. Number 6. A quality or trait belonging to an individual or thing can be used to identify substances. Number 7. Has a definite volume, but its shape changes to match its container. Number 8. The objects have all the following properties in common except penny, iron nail, metal spoon. A. They all conduct electricity. B. They all sink in water. C. They are all magnetic. Or D. They are all solids. Number 9. Which objects below would be classified as having the greatest density? A. A ping pong ball. B. Penny. C. Water. D. Duck. Number 10. Which substance is not soluble in water? A. Powdered drink mix. B. Sugar. C. Salt. D. Sand. Number 11. Which physical property is measured rather than tested? A. Floating in water. B. Solubility. C. Mass. D. Magnetism. Number 12. During a science investigation, a student determined how objects could be classified. Object A, B, C. Physical state, solid, solid, solid. Attracted to magnet, yes, no, no. Soluble in water, no, yes, no. Based on the properties, which of the following materials has the same physical properties as object B? A. Iron nail. B. Salt. C. Sand. D. Penny. Number 13. A student collects data on the properties of 4 different substances and records them in a table. What makes material 4 different than the other materials? Only material 4 A. Does not dissolve in water. B. Looks like colored crystals. C. Is not magnetic. D. Has less mass than 25 grams. Number 14. Students collected data on several objects and recorded the data in the T-chart. Which object could replace the question mark to complete the chart? Conducts electricity, iron nail, copper penny. Does not conduct electricity, plastic straw, wooden craft stick, cotton ball. A. Glass marble. B. Rubber eraser. C. Aluminum can. D. Wool sock. Number 15. Water and oil are poured into the same container. An object is added. The materials are allowed to sit and their final positions are shown in the illustration. What is the most reasonable conclusion that can be made from this test? A. The object has the lowest density. B. Oil has the greatest density. C. The object is more dense than water. D. Water is more dense than oil.